Ingredients: 2½ to 3 cups all-purpose flour, plus more for dusting. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon sugar. 1 tablespoon active dry yeast. 1 cup warm water. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks. Instructions. 1. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together 2½ cups of flour, salt and sugar. 2. In a separate small bowl, dissolve the yeast in warm water, and let sit for about 5 minutes until it becomes frothy. 3. Add the yeast mixture and olive oil to the flour mixture and mix with a wooden spoon until combined. 4. Gradually add more flour, a little at a time, until the dough is smooth and no longer sticky. Knead the dough by hand for about 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes elastic and smooth. 5. Place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover with a damp cloth, and let it rise for about an hour or until it has doubled in size. 6. Once the dough has risen, punch it down to release any air bubbles and transfer to a floured surface. Knead the dough for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. 7. Use a rolling pin to roll the dough out to your desired thickness and shape. 8. Place the rolled dough onto a lightly floured pizza pan or baking sheet. 9. Add your desired pizza sauce and toppings. 10. Bake the pizza according to your desired recipe until the crust is golden brown and crispy. Note: you can make the dough in advance and refrigerate it for up to 24 hours or freeze it for up to 3 months. Allow it to come to room temperature before rolling and baking.